Psalm 5 verse 12, Surely Lord, you bless the righteous, you surround them with your favor as with a shield. Proverbs 3 verses 3 to 4, Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man. Genesis 39 verse 21, The Lord was with him. He showed him kindness and granted him favor in the eyes of the prison warden. Psalm 90 verse 17, May the favor of the Lord our God rest on us. Establish the work of our hands for us. Yes, establish the work of our hands. Exodus 33 verse 17, And the Lord said to Moses, I will do the very thing you have asked because I am pleased with you and I know you by name. Esther 2 verse 15, Esther won the favor of everyone who saw her. Luke 2 verse 52, And Jesus grew in wisdom and stature, and in favor with God and man. Isaiah 58 verse 11, The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Proverbs 8 verse 35, For those who find me find life and receive favor from the Lord. 2 Corinthians 9 verse 8, And God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work.